Yo! And welcome to this edition of Base Batch Builders 3, the series where we are highlighting some of the builders that are submitting to Base Batches 3 and diving deep into who they are and what is their story. So without further ado, we are graced with Miss Joanna Zhang of Soon. So please introduce yourself and tell us what it is that you're building here on Base.
Love it. I love the energy at the Friday night for you, right? Thanks, Mike, for having me on the show. Yeah, so my name's Joanna. I'm the co-founder, CEO of Soon. We have been actually building in the space for the past 2 years and pretty much previously focused on the infrastructure side. So been building L2 using Solana Virtual Machine and architecting that on top of Ethereum base layers like ETH-L1, like Base. But we recently pivoted about 6 months ago to really on the application side. We realized to demonstrate the underlying tech, what's really important is it's really the application, the killer app, right, that can actually draw in the users. So something that always been ringing true to me is the main kind of PMF, I think we all agree, in crypto today is payments and speculation, right? So one thing that we've been really good at is building these trading apps that has a unique niche that brings in new people into the trading platforms. We kind of double down at that and just build a bunch of trading apps that has AI features on top of. So we chose to build on Base because the one really important tech underneath is X402 standard, right, to handle the backend payment and transfer logic. So I can go into all of that, but I wanted to just pause there. We've been really fortunate to be working with a lot of great people on the Base team. Previously came from Coinbase myself, so I still have a lot of friends there.
You're saying all the right things. You're absolutely right. Product market fit is number one. At the end of the day, if you don't have that, it doesn't matter how interesting the tech is if nobody's interested in it. The trading side I want to dive into, the fact that you are integrating AI. I would say AI is one of the hottest. I would say AI, prediction markets, and elegant trading solutions are where the attention is. So let's jump into the trading side.
Sure.
You say you're making trading tools to bring people, forgive me if I've misquoted, but bringing people into crypto or into trading.
So we're actually targeting the newbies, right, that haven't done perp trading before. So the specific use case here I'm talking about is called 100x Soon, right? So this is the one kind of main product that we've been pushing that has this next gen perp style trading, right? So it's an ultra short time window. I call it mini perp, right? That auto closes your leverage within 30 seconds and handles everything as if you're just giving away your proxy to the AI agent to handle the backend transaction, the deducting of from your wallet, the actual P&L translation, and then finally getting that P&L gain or whatever into your wallet. So essentially to a new person, right, you don't need to learn the overnight risk. You don't need to learn any of these funding rate. It feels very much like a game. And the best part is because it's using X402, it is a gasless transaction with one single signature flow. So I think the long and short of this, I have personally seen how many people really got tripled on the onboarding flow that gets in. I think the biggest really pain point for perp trading today is it's very complex, right? The UX is not very intrinsically just easy for people to understand. So the whole idea, now you have this agentic flow that handles most of that kind of back-end transaction logic. All you need to do is just watching this P&L goes up and down in real time for 30 seconds, and then you get this adrenaline rush at the end of the day. You can change the leverage within that 30 seconds too. Depends on how confident you feel, right? So that is a brand new trading experience.
Yeah, I think simplifying complex topics is definitely something that AI agents is able to help us with in many different ways. And with the X402 payments, the onboarding, offboarding, on-ramping, off-ramping for capital is a huge thing. So with the X402, so if people want to, the app is called Soon.
No, sorry. Soon is the kind of the parent company at this point. So that was the other thing that we like with that pivot I mentioned 6 months ago. As we're diving into the application layer, we decided to take a almost like an AI labs approach, right? So I made everybody on the team to even including the non-engineers to come up with product ideas that we can build. So we had the list of 10 projects, right, in the pipeline. And every month we pick the best idea and launch that, right? Get all the resources around the company to go to market with it. So essentially with this AI, vibe coding, right, all these new tools, OpenClaw, you name it, it becomes so much easier to innovate. The bar has been lowered for new ideas to get tested and prototyped. So I think to say that, as we mentioned earlier, right, there's only really 2 PMF today, but there is definitely a lot of room for us to make even the payment and the trading experience a lot better, right, with AI. So that's what we're betting on. Incremental improvement, UX improvement, right? The design philosophy, basically the underlying tech should be abstracted away, right? All these things will make make this thing actually go mainstream. Exactly.
I mean, honestly, you're hitting the nail on the head. At the end of the day, the vast majority of people don't care how the sausage is made. They don't care how the transaction gets done. It's just that I want my money from here to there. Don't bore me with the details. I'm not interested in it. So I think, and I 100% agree, for crypto to reach 1 billion users, it needs to be abstracted away. The vast majority don't even need to worry about the details. And if you're working on solutions to allow people access to these markets without, getting them bogged down with the details and the nitty-gritty, like to do each step, then I think that really is a simplification of the process that really makes the whole journey and onboarding experience a lot more desirable for people.
Yeah. So sorry, to answer your question though, the project itself is called 100x soon because the leverage goes up to 100x, real DGen mode. But like as the soon labs, right? Like we're focusing on like just shipping out these new products every month. We have another product that's about to be launched on Base. I think it's really cool. I think we have decided on the name. So it's going to be called Cloud Bounty. So essentially, all these people are trying to connect their OpenClaw to your Telegram, whatever, like trying to build these new digital assistant. The part that no one talks about is like, what then, right? Like once you have this OpenClaw downloaded and installed, what can it do for you, right? So we're really building this like Upwork or almost like a headhunter for these OpenClaw to take on new work, right? We're finding new paths for OpenClaw. So, now you don't have to just treat it the same way as like your ChatGPT, right? So ChatGPT exists like a chat-based computer use agent, right? So you have to be connected to your computer at all times to make any use out of it. But the whole beauty of OpenClaw is it's called long horizon agent. So it breaks down a task into multiple steps and it can complete the whole thing end to end without you even having to connect to the computer by itself, right? So it's fully autonomous. And then basically you can use it as a workforce for you, right? So it's like your new intern who's probably even smarter than you. So I mean, yeah, maybe not smarter because you're giving the command.
I'm totally joking.
It's more diligent. It doesn't sleep, 24/7.
Open my mind and says Opus 6 and Codex 5.3. It's all like, but hey, you're giving me a lot of meat on these bones. I mean, I feel like there's like two separate products which are both very interesting. But which is the one that you're submitting to Base Batches 3?
So we actually haven't done that yet because the way that I understand is like it has to be like I think it will be the second one because the first one we actually have pretty good traction already. Like we had launched that about 5 weeks ago, and then with this like viral marketing campaign that we put on during Lunar New Year, we had like a packet campaign. We actually ended up already recording about 500 million trading volume.
Sorry. So whoa.
Yeah.
You say 500 million?
Yeah. Yeah, because the fact that you can leverage it, right, to hundreds times, that makes even just a $1, right, just like magnified
100,
a lot. Yeah, I mean,
you're not having 5 million 100x. Like, you're gonna have more than that. Like, that's serious numbers. I mean, like, fair play to you. That's
thank you.
Like, congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah. So the new project, I think, is the one that we need to put in. I have been talking to, Luca from the base team about it. I think we can really like make a splash with it. The fact that this is like the agent version of Upwork, right? So you don't even need any human interaction in the entire process, where the agent can just upload a task to get another agent to take on, almost like a bounty style, and there's a very like subjective
Cloud Bounty.
Yeah, Cloud Bounty. Yeah,
that's a really nice name as well.
Thank you. Yeah, it makes sense, right? People understand it. It's it's a marketplace for bounty for clause or open clause to find work. Yeah, to find work.
Oh, sorry. Is it Claude Bounty, like CLAUDE, or Cloud as in like
oh no, like this OpenClaw. Yeah.
Claw Bounty.
Yeah, Claw. Yeah.
Hang on.
CLAW.
Oh, Claw Bounty.
Claw. Yeah.
Like
Claw, yeah.
Claw
The lobster.
Yeah. That makes sense. I was thinking.
Yeah, I mean, you can use them. It doesn't have to be Claude.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna say to my like, hey, clone Claw Bounty and call it Cloud Bounty. Just I'm totally being silly, but all right. Well, I mean, that's very interesting. I mean, congratulations on the traction of your first project. I mean, like, that's some insane volume in the first 5 weeks, and that's really like a strong indicator of the potency of the team and your ability to execute. So talk to us before we wrap this up. Claw Bounty, you're submitted to Base Batches 3. How can people learn about it?
Yeah.
And like get more information and get into touch?
I honestly haven't even put up a Twitter handle for it, but as I mentioned, right, because we're running this almost like a startup factory style soon, so I just started a new Twitter handle called AI Capital Market. Let me find the handle. It just got launched yesterday. Yeah, so it'll be on Twitter at AI Capital Market. That's the full
AI Capital Market.
Yeah.
What a brilliant handle.
I'm surprised too. Nobody had it. Yeah, AICM. So that's gonna be the portal where we even have like daily updates on all the development on the pipeline, the new products that were being developed, and just like demos. And I was gonna show the demo today. I know it's probably not needed, but yeah, you can find all the information on this Twitter handle. That's where you can find most of the information.
Well, I mean, when I edit this, we can always wipe the demo into it. But
yeah, I can do that too.
Joanna, I must say it's been an absolute pleasure to meet you, to hear about your successes so far, and hear about AI Capital Market / Claw Bounty, and your journey opening Upwork to AI agents. I think it's actually really hitting the nail on the head. The trading app predictions and AI markets. I mean, this is all what's hot, what's relevant, and your success so far is as an indicator towards the future. So yeah, everybody who's watching, make sure you check out at AI Capital Market to learn more. And Joanna, thank you for your time. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you. And we need to onboard more agents. That's my biggest surprise, realization, right? Like, not mass adoption doesn't mean onboarding more humans these days, but how do we get more agents to run their crypto rails? So we're working on it.
This conversation only makes sense from 2026 onwards.
I hope it continue to make more sense, right?
It will
age well.
It will age well, no
Okay.
doubt.
Okay.
Well, anyway, it's been an absolute
Thanks
pleasure,
so much,
John.
Mike.
And thanks to everybody who tuned in today. We'll see you on a future one. So until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, but most importantly, stay based. Peace out, everyone.
I'm a baseline junkie. I'm a baseline junkie. I'm a baseline junkie.